boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at number stories and we're going to be practicing some things that we've already done, and we're going to be practicing our open responses. Okay, this is kind of a review week, so we're going to be looking over lots of different things and hopefully help us with some things on Evaluate and help us get ready for fourth grade. It's already almost that time, guys. So first, let's look back at writing. Okay, we learned something called the FACE strategy. Okay, and here are some real student examples, and I want you to drag your star of which answer is best at explaining why the student does not have enough money. Okay, so you have to think, we know the answer is they don't have enough money. Now, who kind of explains that? You don't even have to see the problem to know who explains it better. So by looking over here, drag that star, and then today we're going to be focusing on explaining how to solve number stories using the FACE strategy. Okay, this is part of our standard for math that we can reason and construct an argument. Okay, so we have a lot of things to do today, so let's go and get started. We are going to be solving problems. We've practiced this throughout the entire year. You're going to maybe have to add, subtract, multiply, divide, use other strategies and skills that we've learned throughout the year with fractions and bar graphs and things like that. So today, make sure you know it's been a while since we've done all adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. So make sure that you review that and remind yourself what we've learned. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and model one question. Now, all of these came from Evaluate, and they're all our lowest questions, the scores that we got the lowest scores on these questions. So let's look at the problem first, is what I'm going to solve. Then I'm going to come over here and try to do the FACE strategy question. So this says, Shelby asked her classmates to identify their favorite type of movie. The results are shown in the bar graph below. Look at the bar graph. How many more people chose comedy than chose drama as their favorite type of movie? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at this question a little closer. It says, how many more? Ooh, I remember when I see how many more, that means subtract. Okay, how many more? Even though it says more, it makes me think add, but how many more means subtract. Now, what am I subtracting? The amount of people who chose comedy. All right, so that's here. How many people are here? This line is right on the line, so that's 14. Okay, so I see that's 14 is comedy. Then chose drama. So drama is here. How many people chose drama? Okay, I'm going to draw my line. That's not on the blue. Like this one, I could see the blue line. The blue line's here. So I think this one, if I kind of draw it across, it looks like it's here in the middle. So what's in between 2 and 4? That's right. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3. They were trying to trick me to see if I would pick 2 or 4. But I didn't get tricked. So I know this one's 3. So how many more means subtract? So I'm going to subtract 14 minus 3. And that 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus something is 1. So the answer is 11. Great. Okay, so don't forget to check those things. Now I'm going to come over here and do my written response. William says the answer is 17. Ooh, what was my answer? 11. He says it's 17. Do you agree with William? Why not? Do we agree with William? No, we should not agree, right? Because we said it was 11. So I need to start by saying I disagree with William. Right? That's just my first sentence. Do you agree? No. Then I need to go through here and I need to tell my calculation. Why did I do this? So first I figured out all the steps over here. Then I found my answer. I disagree. So now I need to say, what did I do? Well, I took 14 minus 3 and got 11. Those are the steps I take. So I'm going to explain that here. So I disagree with William. I know because 14 people chose comedy minus 3 people who chose drama equals 11 people different, right? That's the difference between 14 and 3 is 11. Now I need to explain how that shows that I disagree with William. Okay, how does this show that he was wrong? So that's what I'm going to do here. This means that William is wrong since he said it was 17, but the actual answer is 11. Okay, so I had to explain. I told you my answer. I told you why it was my answer, and then I had to explain why his answer was wrong. So there's several steps here today. I'm going to ask that you try this as best as you can. So here's the evaluate question, and then here's where you can practice the face strategy. Again, here's a question, and then here's the face strategy practice. Question, face strategy. Question, face strategy. Question, question, question. All right, so lots of questions today. This is great practice, really good review. Do as many of them as you can. Really just do your best, and then here's a reflection at the end and an extension. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. We will be going over this together. All right, thanks guys. Bye.